You're not behind in your career. You're just one skill decision away from a completely different future. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Degrees alone don't move careers anymore. Skills do. Right now, companies want proof, not motivation, not potential, real, job-ready skills they can trust. That's exactly why millions of people choose Coursera. Coursera gives you access to 10,000 plus programs from 350 top universities and companies: Google, Microsoft, IBM, Meta, Amazon Web Services, top global universities. This isn't random learning. This is industry-backed education. Here's the real problem most people face. They want to move into data, AI, tech, marketing, or leadership, but they don't know where to start. They're afraid of wasting time on the wrong course, and paying per course gets expensive fast. Coursera Plus removes all of that friction. With one subscription, you can learn without limits, start a new career, switch industries, or grow in your current role. Data analytics, Python, project management, cybersecurity, generative AI, digital marketing. You can explore, pause, switch, and go deeper without extra cost. And this is where it really matters. You don't just learn, you earn professional certificates you can put on your resume and LinkedIn. Certificates from brands hiring managers already trust. That's why Coursera learners see real outcomes, more confidence, better roles, career momentum. Right now, Coursera Plus is offering 50% off, making it one of the smartest career investments you can make today. If you've been waiting for the right time to upgrade your skills, this is it. Check the link below and see what path fits your goals. And if you want more honest, no-fluff breakdowns like this, subscribe to Dgtal Grow. We help you make smarter career and digital decisions before opportunities pass you by.